Welcome back to Paris's Kitchen. Before we get started today, I want to remind you to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. I have already washed my hands. Sometimes I get tired of the same old sandwiches. What I really like about the veggie roll-ups that we are making today is that there are so many ways to change them up. So they never get boring. And bonus, their roll-ups are packed with veggies, so they're super healthy. I'm using whole grain tortillas. Whole grain tortillas are healthier than tortillas made with white flour. They have more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can also use corn tortillas in this recipe. If you do that, you'll want to make two for yourself because corn tortillas are usually smaller than the tortillas I'm using today. First, I'm going to spread on some light whipped cream cheese on my tortilla. You could use flavored cream cheese instead, like veggie cream cheese, or you could also use hummus or guacamole. You need something to make your veggies stick. The cool thing about this recipe is you can use any veggies you have. Today I have yellow squash, zucchini, and red, orange, yellow bell peppers. If you want to add a little cheese, you can sprinkle that on top as well. You could also add meat if you want, but today I'm going veggie all the way. Now you're ready to roll. Some people like their roll-ups open on the ends and some people like them closed. Don't worry if your roll-ups are messy or if some of the veggies are coming out. It still will taste delicious. Just look at all those veggies. This is a really good veggie roll-up and it took less than 10 minutes to make. I hope you try this recipe. There are so many different veggies you could add. What sounds good to you? If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up below and post a pic if you make it. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time on Paris's Kitchen.